yeah, that's about it. Also, I did a little makeup for the day, but I'm not sure if it's going to last. But wait a minute. So recently, I've been using this dewy finish makeup setting spray by NYX, and I'm just loving it. I'm going to quickly show you how I do use this. Basically, what I do is every time I have makeup on, I just shake this bottle a little bit and just give it a few sprays, and it really works. Like every time, it gives a really nice dewy finish, and the makeup looks so glowy all through the day. And I have been loving it. I was not into makeup setting sprays, but this one is a pretty good find, and it's available in a mini version also. So and it's pretty long lasting, guys, and I absolutely love it. You can already see the dewiness coming out slowly, and yeah, this is my product of the month for sure.
Maybe this is a.
We just got done with lunch and we are here in the forest. It's called Amsterdam Bos. I don't know how to pronounce it. I might put it in the description box. And we're just in the forest right now, and the plan is to explore around this area. There are quite a lot of things to do, so we're going to go. Also, this forest happens to be a man-made forest, which it doesn't look like at all. So we just stopped in this huge sprawling lawn in the middle of the forest, and I can see like lots of people having little barbecue picnics around here, people playing games, and there's a free lake there. So I'm just walking there. The plan is to find a spot and make ourselves comfortable and have a little picnic. Freaking.